Hello and welcome to the video. This is a very quick video in the Painless Answer series. This is to answer this question from this gentleman here called Kiwi4. And Kiwi is asking, can you increment a global variable by 1 each time you flick a switch? He's trying to keep track of how many cycles for his landing gear. The answer, Kiwi, is yes. It's very easy. It only takes one line in the special functions. So let me show you how I've got it set up. In fact, I haven't set it up. I'm going to set it up live here with you. So if we just simulate the radio, obviously these are the logical global variables here, GV1. So what I want to do is, it needs to be in special functions. You can select the switch position that you want. That ideally is going to be the position that's going to probably drop the gear. Select adjust global variable 1. It's right down here towards the bottom. You can pick whichever global variable you want. So I would just use 1 if you're not using it for anything else. You have the options to set it as a specific value, to set it the same value as a source, another global variable, or increment it. And we can say we'll increment it by 1. Make sure you enable it. Click on simulate. And now what should happen, you watch what happens when SA, again, is the arbitrary switch that drops the gear. Watch what happens to the global variable. Gear down 1, gear down twice, gear down 3 times, 4 times, etc. So that's how I would do it. It's really easy. You can do it with one simple line in special functions, and that is all you need. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that, if you're trying to learn a topic, will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.